Hey traders, I've had a few people ask me over the last week or two about this strategy, and they're not 100% sure how to read it or how it works or whatever. I mean, I got a guy this morning named John. He's asked the question. He's not the only one. I've had quite a few people ask me this question. So let's just explain it again. Forget about the MA, alright? You don't need the MA 100%. I use it as just a double edge confirmation, alright? Let's just worry about the three moving averages. Alright, we've got a 26. The red is the 26 moving average, just a simple moving average. Alright, SMA. This is in here for one reason and one reason only, to confirm the direction of the trade. Okay, we'll go over it in a minute. The yellow line is the same simple moving average at a 14, and the trigger line is the blue one, and that's a 6. So this is a perfect setup here. This is a valid setup. The trigger line, being the blue line, is when you take the trade. Okay, it must cross the yellow line, if we're looking for a call, as we are here, because it's coming from under the yellow to cross the yellow, right? So it's going up, so we're looking for a call. But the red line must be above the yellow line for it to be a valid trade. If the red line is below, if that was down here somewhere, it's not a valid trade. You leave it alone. So as soon as that crosses, right, you do this on the start of the candle. So we're doing 5 minutes now, so it must be on a 0 or a 5 of the hour, so like an o'clock, 5 past, 10 past, quarter past. Don't take it at 8 minutes past 9 or whatever. You have to start it at the start of the candles, right? So being that this is a lagging indicator, it was probably this candle or this candle here when they crossed. Then I would look at the MA as a confirmation, and that's already crossed back here, so I know that this is going to become a valid trade. Okay, so I'll try and find a non-valid. See, this is another valid trade. Now, this could have lost. It could have been this one here. I don't know. Alright, here's a trade that's not valid even though it won. Now, this is what I'm saying. You're going to see things like this and frustrate you and go, well, the damn thing won. Well, you can take the trades if you want. I don't. Alright, I use this as my confirmation. Okay, this crossed down and it was a winner, but this was in the wrong area, so I would have left that alone. Okay, so here's another valid trade. Okay, price crossing down over the yellow with the red underneath. Winner, it was that one, that one. I don't think it would have been that one. Alright, I hope that's helped. I'm not doing any more videos on this system. There's enough in my YouTube channel, and if you need any more information, I got all this from the Binary Living Way group. Christian there is the guy that I learnt this from, so go into his YouTube page and he's got plenty of videos on it. Okay, bye.